Hi and welcome to Morgoths Media, where today I'm going to be trying another meal for one from Asda's, which is the chicken Jalfrezi. As you can see there, it's got the 4 chilies on it. Let's give it a go. I'm not one for spice too much, but yeah, let's give it a whirl, see what it's all about. Okay, so let's give this a go, shall we? This chicken Jalfrezi. Let's hope it's not chicken Jalcrazy. Yeah, it's a very spicy smell to it. It's a very loose sauce to it as well. Yeah, let's give it a go. Let's hope it's not too hot. So you've got a bit of chicken there, rice. Let's go. Chicken again, lovely and tender. Sauce. Oh, yeah, it's hot. Yeah, that's a proper spicy one. That's not a creeper. That's straight away hot. Give it a go. Give it a bit more. The rice is lovely. The sauce is extremely hot though. Very spicy. I think this one's a bit too spicy for me, to be honest. If I was to have a cold or something like that, then I'd get one of these just to blow me through. But to enjoy it, you definitely need a cold beer and something like I don't know, onion bardies or something on the side. But yeah, that's very hot. Wouldn't buy it again unless I had a cold, to be honest. But that's my review on that one. Hot.